Hello guys, today we start the coordinate geometry of class 9, which is chapter 3rd. Okay, first we discuss that what we discuss in this chapter, what we learn in this chapter. We take a short introduction on it. Next, number line. Next, what is Cartesian system. Next, plotting points on coordinate, how to plot a point, and we discuss about some problems on it. Okay, the basic introduction. What is coordinate geometry? It is basically used to locate the position of a point in a number line or Cartesian plane. It is basically used to to find a position of a point or place a point and plot a point. Here a short image of this point are represented. It is A, B, C. We will discuss further about on it. Next, move to the what is number line. Number line, you shall discuss it about on your previous classes. What is number line, and that's all. Here I give you a short preference, that is O is origin of that number line. On the right side there is a positive numbers, and the left side there is negative numbers. Distance between two numbers is always a 1 unit distance, and it is same on in all aspects. Next, move to the next Cartesian plane or coordinate geometry. In Cartesian plane or coordinate geometry, we have four axes of x dash, y dash. On the right hand side, the positive x-axis lies, and the negative on the left hand side negative x-axis. On the upward side positive y-axis, and on the downward side positive negative axis. And these four axis makes a Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, and the origin of both axes are same. Next, move to the next thing. What is quadrant or quadrant are basically four types. Quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. It is nothing but the part of that Cartesian plane which we learnt it is the part of that. There are four quadrants. In quadrant first, positive x-axis and positive y-axis lies, and in the second quadrant negative x-axis and positive y-axis lies, and in the third quadrant negative x-axis and negative y-axis lies, and in the fourth quadrant positive x-axis and negative y-axis lies. It helps us to locate our point easily in further. Next, move about how to plot a point on a plane. Here are some points are given in a given table, which is an x and y. First, we discuss about the point -3 and 4. -3 and 4. We learned that negative x-axis and positive y-axis lies on the second quadrant. So, look about the second quadrant. Here the -3 point we find it, which is in x, and 4 which is in y direction, and join this point, and the intersection point of these two lines, dotted lines, are our location of our given point. In it, -3 is also known as abscissa or x ordinate, and y is also known as ordinate and y ordinate. Here are some also points. Next, move to the second point, in which abscissa is 0 and ordinate is -3.5. So 0 is same for all axes. Then -3.5, which is in y downward direction, we find it and we locate it by dot. Next point is -1, -3. Minus of both axes lies in third quadrant. Next, move to the look at the third quadrant. -1 abscissa and -3 ordinate. Join these, and the intersection point of these points are the position of the given point. Next, 4 and 4. 4 and 4 is lies on the first quadrant, positive, which is our first quadrant. Join that points and find it. Similarly, we found 2 and -3. I think you know about that, how to locate points on an Cartesian plane. It is always represented in manner x, y. Okay, x, y, in which x is abscissa or x ordinate, and y is ordinate or y ordinate. Next, move about the question. First, plot the points given in the following table on a plane. We have 2 points, point A and point B, and we have to plot it in. Then first point A, in which abscissa is -2 and ordinate is 4. Minus of abscissa and positive of ordinate lies in second coordinate, we know that, and here we found it in point A and represented by a great dot. Next, 3 and -1. Minus of y ordinate and positive of x ordinate or abscissa is always found in fourth quadrant. We found it and located. Shall you understand about this? What is coordinate geometry? It is a basically introduction of coordinate geometry, which is given in the chapter 3 of class 9th ncert. Next, more about it is given in the further classes in class 10th or more. We meet again with this video, coordinate geometry of class 10th, and discuss about all the things deeply. Thank you for listening me.